Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green plums. First, select an ideal location for your green plum tree. It needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. Ensure your soil drains well, with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Remember, these trees can grow quite large, reaching 15 to 20 feet tall and wide, so plan for adequate space. Proper site selection is crucial for a healthy, productive tree. Once your site is chosen, it's time to prepare the soil. If you have heavy clay or very sandy soil, enrich it with organic matter like compost or aged manure. Dig a planting hole that is twice as wide as the tree's root ball, but only as deep as the root ball itself. Carefully place your green plum tree into the hole, making sure the graft union remains above the soil line. Then, backfill with your amended soil, gently tamping to remove any air pockets. After planting, immediate care is essential for your green plum tree's success. Water the tree thoroughly right away to help settle the soil around its roots. For the first growing season, establish a consistent watering schedule, aiming for 1 to 2 inches of water per week, especially during dry periods. Finally, apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch around the base of the tree, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rot. For long-term health, ongoing maintenance is key. Fertilize your green plum tree annually in early spring using a balanced fertilizer, always following the product's specific instructions. Pruning is best done in late winter or early spring to remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches, which promotes better air circulation and fruit production. Regularly inspect your tree for any signs of pests or diseases, addressing them promptly to keep your tree vigorous and productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.